In today's video, I will show you how to reset or change your phone number in RingCentral, whether you are updating your user extension or requesting a new direct number. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website service.ringcentral.com and log in using your admin credentials. Only admins can manage phone numbers and extensions. Once inside the dashboard, click on Phone System from the top menu. Then go to Users. Find the user whose number you want to change. Click on the user, then select Phones and Numbers. Here you can view a direct number, extension, and caller ID settings. To remove or change the current number, click the Edit pencil kind of icon to the direct number. You can assign a new number, purchase an additional number, or transfer a number from another provider. Once done, make sure to save all the changes. The new number will be active immediately or after confirmation from RingCentral support if it's a ported number. If you just want to update your personal contact number for account recovery, go to RingCentral mobile app, Profile, Personal Info, tap to update your mobile or backup phone number, then save. And that's how you reset or change your phone number on RingCentral. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.